Hey guys, so I wanted to do a really quick video for you guys. I haven't done one of these in I think over a year now. I'm not 100% sure because these videos do get like mixed reviews, like a 50-50 of some people who love them and love the companies and some people who have not so good experiences. So if you've gone through this company, please let me know if you know anything about this company. If you like these kinds of videos, leave all those comments down below and just let me know if you guys want me to do more of these because I do actually like get contacted pretty frequently to be able to do these kinds of videos. So a company reached out to me by the name of Zeno about, I would say 2 to 3 weeks ago. Shipping took a little bit of time, but coronavirus, so I would say in respect of what's going on in the world, shipping was super fast because I have other packages coming from the States to the States and it's taken longer than this package. So it came in this normal box, like just a really compact shipping box, which I liked because there was no room in there for it to wiggle or get ruined. And when you open that box, the first thing you see is this really cute velvet pouch that I love because you can store like multiple items in there and keep them really safe. Put it in your purse, you can travel with it, or just use it to store and separate items within a jewelry box. And also, like, the color is super cute. It's kind of washing out, but it's like this baby pink, like a really pale pink color. And then the next thing I saw was this really cute box, which this is my favorite color. This color is the color of my pillows on my couch, the curtains, everything. I love this color. I think it is super beautiful. And the box is so cute. It's like, again, like a velvet with the bow on top. And what I like about the bow is when you untie it, it is attached. So it's not like, oops, so it's not like you have all this extra packaging or anything like that. So that's the first thing I noticed is the packaging was really cute, excuse me. And when you open it, there's a little cushion inside, and inside of this package was the first item that I selected, which is this beautiful bracelet that just has like 360 degrees of just bling. Like, it is so pretty. And so that's it on my arm. I have really small wrists, so as you can see, it's a little bit big on me, but again, my wrists are super tiny. So if your wrists are average sized, then it will fit you perfect. I actually haven't worn this bracelet because quarantine, so I haven't had anywhere to go to wear it. But I do layer bracelets and things all the time for work, and so I can see myself wearing this quite often. And I actually have a couple bracelets that look just like this that I use all the time. It is super lightweight and it's not uncomfortable. It doesn't grab on your skin or your arm hair of anything, because I know sometimes when I wear bracelets, my biggest pet peeve is when it pokes and pulls and it just gets very annoying. So that's the bracelet. It is super, super duper duper pretty. The next box that was in the package, which is also a beautiful packaging. This packaging is super heavy, like it feels like quality. And here's the logo, Zeno Jewels. I hope I'm saying that right, Zeno. And again, you just untie this, and I like this one because it comes off, so you can reuse this and retie it very easily. And then what you do is you actually just push this out like that. So you just push it from either side. And so that is like a really cool design aspect. And you open it up, and I got a size 6, and it just had like the cushion where the ring was displayed. And this is the ring I got. It is this 360 degree jewel, like halo ring, like ring band. Ignore my nails, I'm so sorry. Corona has really taken a toll on me. So yeah, this is the ring and bracelet I chose. I thought they would go really nicely together. I've been wearing this ring since I received it. I believe I received this ring on either Friday or Saturday, and today is Monday, and I have been wearing it ever since. Of course, I take it off to shower. The sizing is 100% true to size. The 6 fits me perfectly. Sorry, I have like really fat knuckles. That's not cute. It fits me perfectly. It is not uncomfortable. It's not heavy. Rings like this normally poke when you put your fingers together. These little spokes that hold in, I don't know what they're actually called, prongs that hold in the jewels, normally poke you and pinch you, and it's very uncomfortable. But this one is not. The prongs are flush to the jewel, and it is super duper sparkly. Let me try to hold it for you guys. See, the lighting's not so good because it is very gloomy outside today, very rainy. But yeah, as you guys can see, it shimmers. It's really nice and sturdy. It is 925 sterling silver, so I haven't had any issues with it, nothing, and it's hot in Florida, so you know you're sweating on it and everything like that. So a couple details. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it does also come with a polishing cloth in the package with all of your items. And so a couple details is that this is the item in specific. So like it tells you right here, it says 925 sterling silver. So that is really nice. So this is for the, I believe this is for the bracelet. I don't think it's for both items. I'm not 100% sure because on the box it only said that this package contained a bracelet, not a bracelet and a ring. So I think this is for the bracelet. But yeah, so like it says date April 15th, 2018. That was the test results. And so this was tested to make sure it was real silver. And so you can keep this and always, like, if you want to resell the item or something like that, if you're giving it as a gift, you're ensuring that it is 925 silver. And then it also comes with this card, information card, inside of the package. And so all of the jewelry comes with a 1-year warranty. So on the back here, it is your warranty information, and it makes sure that if there's any manufacturing defects, workmanship, or anything like that, that's not like you lost the ring or anything that comes from the factory is warranted, and it becomes void if the product has been subjected to misuse or has been altered by anyone. So if you get it like resized or something like that, then of course the warranty is null and void. And so yeah, they reserve the rights to their warranty, and they are dedicated to their quality assurance team. And on the other side, there's hassle-free 30-day return policy. So if you feel uncomfortable or are not confident when shopping, that you can offer a 30-day return and exchange policy if for any reason you're not satisfied with your purchase, which is great because a lot of companies don't do returns. That's the one thing I hate about Fashion Nova, is like you get a credit for Fashion Nova. You can't actually like return an item. I don't know, that deters me from purchasing from a website. So yeah, the return is simple. It's normal expectations, it looks like. It says it must be returned. Items returned without authorization will not be accepted. The time frame is 30 days, which is usual. Yeah, please do not send your return to the address on your package, so make sure you contact them first and get the return address. Non-refundable items are items without tags. So like, for example, I already took my size 6 tag off and it's been worn, and refunds will be processed within 5 days. So this company was super nice. They kept up on it. They emailed me multiple times to check in on the package. They sent me tracking immediately. The jewelry feels sturdy and super comfortable. The packaging was beautiful, and I have a coupon code. It's REBE20, and that will be linked down below in the description. And yeah, so I really liked this company. Again, I've done this multiple times, so please give me your comments and your review down below. And while I'm talking, I'm going to show you guys the jewelry really quickly again. So this is the ring. But they reached out to me. They were super nice and polite. It was simple. I ordered these items within like 10 minutes of looking at the website because I thought they were so beautiful. And yeah, I love them. I think it is super cute. And it's like enough bling, but not too much bling, because I love bling, like little bling, but not like gaudy in your face costume jewelry bling. So anyways, hopefully you guys like this video, and let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you guys have heard of this company, purchased from this company, or going to purchase from this company. Keep me updated. Give me story times in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much. Yeah, okay, bye guys.